This is the video of the demonstration of J-Sudoku of Honor project. In this video, I will divide two parts to talk about it. The first part is the basic function of J-Sudoku, and then the second part is the multimedia part of J-Sudoku, and then at the end I will give some conclusion. So now I will talk about the first part, the basic function of the J-Sudoku. After the player put the JAR file in the cell phone, when you press Sudoku, the first screen is the language screen. You can choose English or Chinese to play Sudoku. So now I choose Chinese. The first screen is the stop animation, and then this is the main screen of the J-Sudoku. So in this video, I will use English version to talk about the Sudoku. After the animation screen, this is the main menu of J-Sudoku. Here there are new games, saved games, teaching movie, add music, and some information about the J-Sudoku. So now I want to talk about the new game. When player press new game, there are different levels of the J-Sudoku. In this part, the level means the number of the digits to remove in the Sudoku puzzle. When you press medium level, here is the screen of 9 multiple 9 Sudoku puzzle. The puzzle will be generated. And in the new game, there are 4 basic levels of the J-Sudoku. And in the custom, player can choose how many numbers to remove in the Sudoku puzzle. The range is from 24 to 54. When I choose 34 to 38, there are 5 numbers. You can choose more detail in the numbers. I choose 36. In the Sudoku puzzle, it means there are 36 numbers to remove in the Sudoku. So the new Sudoku puzzle will be generated. And in the create new function, player can create his level of Sudoku puzzle. In these functions, you can also download some sample from websites, and then input the numbers in it. For example, I press 5. I am building the Sudoku puzzle. So after I finish to make the Sudoku puzzle, you can press check to check whether there are solutions to be generated. So now no solution will be generated because the number is very little. If it success, if the check functions success, the new puzzle can be generated, and you can use save function to save them. And in the main board of the Sudoku puzzle, there are most of functions you can choose. The first function you can choose is the push function at the middle bottom part. At the top left corner, the push button. You can see when you push game, and you can see the game you already input will be saved. For example, I press some number. You can push it. So at the top left corner there are number 2. That means when you press push one time, the number of the left top position will be increased 1. I push again 3, push again 4. The advantage of these functions, you can change the numbers whenever you want to make some wrong, correct some wrong. Maybe at the end there may be some duplicate numbers, so player may feel difficult to go back to the very previous screen. So these push functions can be used. And after you push, the pop functions will be shown. When you program the left top position, the number will be decreased 1. When I pop again, it will decrease 1 too. And also, the second function is the check function. When you check, it can check all inputs whether it is true or not. So this time, Sudoku input is wrong. Because there are some duplicate numbers in it. And I try some wire number.